Hello students, how are you? Today, chemistry class, okay? Unit 7, the P block elements, okay? In class 11, you have learned that the P block elements are placed in groups 13 to 18 of the periodic table, okay? Their valence electronic configuration is NS2, NP1 to 6, okay? The properties of P block elements, like that of others, are greatly influenced by atomic sizes, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and electron negativity. Okay? The absence of d orbitals in second period and the presence of d or d and f orbitals in heavier elements starting from third period onwards have significant effects on the properties of elements. Okay? In addition, the presence of all the three types of elements, metals, metalloids and non-metals, bring diversification in chemistry of these elements. I learned that, okay? In class 11, आपने पढ़ा है पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट को कैसा रखा गया है 13 to 18 ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल. आपको पीरियोडिक टेबल पता है, ओके? their valence shell electronic configuration, because their उनका एक जस्ट क्रिएशन और व्हाट इज उनका स्ट्रक्चर, ओके, is NS2, NP1 to 3, 1 to 6, okay? The properties of P block elements, like that of others, are greatly influenced by atomic sizes, okay? Atomic sizes पता है आपको, आटम कितना बड़ा है, okay? Ionization means what is that? Ions, when electrically charged, they will flow, okay? Like current, then the flow will be there to the positive direction, then the same way, opposite direction, the ions will be just colliding with each other, okay? That is what you call ionization. Okay, ionization enthalpy. Then what is that? Electron gain enthalpy. Okay, then they are gaining because of this collision. They are gaining. Okay, electrons they are gaining. Okay, so and electron negativity. Sometimes what is happening? There will be just what is that? Loss of electrons also happening. So electron negativity. Okay, the absence of d orbitals in second period and presence of d or d and f orbitals in heavy elements starting from third period onwards have significant effects on the properties of elements, okay? The absence of d orbital, the d orbital नहीं है तो कुछ difference हो जाता है atoms में, okay? तो heavy elements में ऐसा हो जाता है और significant, okay? The presence of all three types of elements, metals, metalloids and non-metals, bring diversification in the chemistry of these elements, okay? And each have their metals or metalloids and non-metals को अलग अलग प्रॉपर्टीज है, ओके? Having learned the chemistry of elements of groups 13 and 14 of the P block of periodic table in class 11, you will learn the chemistry of the elements of subsequent groups in this unit, okay? After 13 and 14, naturally 15, okay? Let us start. Okay. Group 15 includes nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, okay? As we go down the group, there is a shift from non-metallic to metallic through metalloidic character, okay? It includes, what is that? Group 15 includes, what is that? You have to tell me, okay? That nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, okay? As we go down the group, when we are just going to that group, okay, there is a shift from non-metallic to metallic, okay? Non-metallic आपको पता है, फिर metallic आपको पता है, okay? Through metalloidic character, okay? Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, okay? Okay, arsenic and antimony metalloids and bismuth is a typical metal. Now you got it, okay? Example for nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, okay? They are not metal, okay? Oh, metal नहीं है. Arsenic and antimony metalloids, okay? Just some alloys will be there, okay? Then bismuth is a typical metal. For example, bismuth is the metal. Got me? Okay? आपको पता चला ना? Okay, yeah. Then occurrence, okay? Molecular nitrogen comprises 78% by volume of the atmosphere, okay? We suppose we are taking the volume of the atmosphere, उसमें 78% nitrogen आपको पता है, okay? Yeah. The earth crust, okay? It occurs as sodium nitrate, okay? Then called Chile sulfate, okay? And potassium nitrate, Indian sulfate, okay? It is found in the form of proteins and plants and animals, okay? It is found in the form of proteins in plants and animals. Okay, nitrogen and potassium is found in the form of proteins in plants and animals. Okay, हमारा शरीर में प्रोटीन है ना, वैसे प्लांट्स का में प्रोटीन है, उसको नाइट्रोजन और पोटेशियम जस्ट ओके इट इज देयर. ओके, let us go to the atomic and physical properties of group 15 elements. Okay, that table 7.1. Okay, atomic and physical properties of the group 15 elements. Atomic properties आपको पता है, and ionization is happening. Then what is just happening? Just electrically charged. Okay, atoms will just exhibit some properties. That is what we have to see. Okay, after हम एटम्स को इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज करते हैं ना, फिर उसके बाद उसमें क्या क्या होते हैं, फ्लो ऑफ आयोन्स. ओके, जिस एटम्स आयोन्स बनता है, फिर उसको फ्लो होता है, वो कैसा कैसा होता है, वो उसका फिर प्रॉपर्टी क्या क्या होता है. ओके, वंस यू जस्ट चार्ज द एटम्स विथ इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज एटम्स. ओके, या now atomic number, atomic mass, electronic configuration, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, covalent radius, ionic radius, okay, melting point, boiling point, density, all these are the atomic and physical properties of group 15 elements. Okay, yeah. Now trends of some of the atomic, physical and chemical properties of the groups are discussed below. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे और प्रॉपर्टीज क्या क्या है. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ओके, द वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट इज NS2 NF3 NP3. ओके, द s orbital in this element is completely filled and p orbitals are half filled, making the electronic configuration extra stable. Okay, so strong. Okay, what is making them strong और क्या this atoms को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं, आपको एक बार बोल दीजिए. तो s ऑर्बिटल इन दिस एलिमेंट्स इज कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड. ओके, कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड, नोबडी एल्स कैन एंटर, और उसमें कुछ भी अंदर नहीं जा सकता, इट्स सब फिल्ड. ओके, या देन p ऑर्बिटल्स आर हाफ फिल्ड. ओके, so making the electron configuration extra stable. This configuration that atoms will be so strong. Okay, that is electronic configuration. Okay, then atomic and ionic radii. Okay, रेडियस मीन्स आपको पता है, एटम्स को जस्ट ड्रॉ करेगा तो उसका रेडियस और सर्कल जस्ट ड्रॉ कीजिए और उसका रेडियस क्या है, हाँ, फुल जस्ट डायमीटर को रेडियस. ओके, लाइक दैट. ओके, यस. देन कोवेलेंट एंड आयोनिक इन ए पर्टिकुलर स्टेट, रेडियस इंक्रीजेस इन साइज डाउन द ग्रुप. ओके, when okay, there is a considerable increase in the covalent radius from N to P. Okay, nitrogen to potassium. However, from as to bismuth only, to Bi only a small increase in covalent radius. Okay, so this is due to the presence of completely filled D and or F orbitals in the heavier members. Okay, covalent and ionic radii increase in size down the group. Okay, when just a group is going down, just 1 2 3 like that going down. Okay, क्या होता है, जैसे possible increase in covalent radius from N to P. Okay, that radius will be little increasing. Okay, then it will affect their just performance also. Okay, however as to Bi only a small increase in covalent radius is observed. Okay, this is due to the presence of completely filled D and or of F orbitals in heavier members. Okay, heavy members ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं दिखाते क्योंकि just presence of completely filled D and or F orbitals. Okay, completely filled है तो उसमें ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आने का गुंजाइश नहीं है. Okay, then ionization enthalpy. Okay, what is ionization? Ions means atoms when charged it form to ions. Okay, so a flow will be there, electrically charged, then it is a flow. Okay, positive and negative ions will be flowing. Okay, so ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size. What is ion? This ions and the ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. When you are just counting the groups down, then you can see that gradual increase in atomic size. Then when the atomic size will be growing, then what is happening, you got me? Because of the extra stable half-filled p orbitals, electronic configuration and smaller size. Okay, yeah. Ionization double decreases down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size. Atomic size increase होता है तो ionization double decreases होता है. This is a paradox. Okay, that is that. Ionization double decreases down the group due to the gradual increase in atomic size because of the extra stable half-filled orbit p orbital electronic configuration at smaller size. Okay. The ionization doubly of the group 15 elements is much greater than that of group 15 elements in the corresponding periods. Okay. The ionization doubly of group 15 elements is much greater than that of the 14 elements in the corresponding periods. Okay. The electronegativity value in general decreases down the group with electronegativity. Okay. The electronegativity value in general decreases down the group with increasing atomic size. Okay. The electronegativity value in general decreases down the group with increasing atomic size. Okay. Electronegativity, okay, value. Electronegativity value means, you got me, electropositive and electronegativity. Okay. And in general decreases down the group with increasing atomic size. Atoms will be just bigger, than electronegativity value in general decreases. Okay. कम होता है. Okay. As the heavy elements, the difference is not that much pronounced. In heavy elements, इसका इतना difference दिखता नहीं है. Okay. Physical properties. All the elements of this group are polyatomic. Polyatomic means many. Okay. Dinitrogen is a diatomic gas, while all of these are solids. Metallic character increases down the group. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony metalloids are bismuth. Metalloids, and bismuth is a metal. So आप already कहा है. Okay, this is due to decrease in ionization doubly and increase in atomic size. Okay. The boiling points in general increase from top to bottom in the group, but the melting point increases up to arsenic and then decreases up to bismuth. Except nitrogen, all the elements show allotropy. Okay. See, these are the properties. Okay. So you got me. What is that? What you learned from this chapter? Yes. What is that? P block elements. Okay. आपको पता है और एक बार मैं लूँ. Okay. It is a group 15 includes nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. As we go down the group, there is a shift from non-metallic to metallic through metalloidic character. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metal. Arsenic and antimony metalloids, and bismuth is a typical metal. Okay. Then that you already know that things. Okay. Then I am not taking it. Atomic and physical properties of group 15 elements. Okay. ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट्स का क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है. प्रॉपर्टीज आपको पता है, आप तो देखने का 7.1 टेबल में है. ओके. देन एटॉमिक नंबर लाइक दैट. ओके. देन 10 सम ऑफ द एटॉमिक फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द ग्रुप्स आर डिस्कस्ड बिलो. ओके. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. और दैट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मीन्स आपको पता है कैसा स्ट्रक्चर है. ओके. देन व्हाट इज द वैलेंस शेल. ओके. अब आपको एक एटम को जस्ट इमेजिन. ओके. देन शेल आपको पता है. Okay, electron. This element is ns2 np3. The s orbital in these elements is completely filled. Okay, completely filled. There is no कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है कुछ भी ऐसा उसमें उसका अंदर फिट हो. Okay, so they are intact. Okay, yeah. Then filled and p orbitals are half filled. Okay, making their electron configuration extra stable. So how to make the electron configuration extra stable? By completely filled s shell. Okay. S orbital. Okay, the s orbital in this element is completely filled and p orbitals are half filled. These things are making the what is the electronic configuration extra stable, so strong. Okay, you got me. Okay, you have to go repeat and just understand what is that. Okay, the atomic and ionic radio. Okay, radii means the circle. A circle, then at that half. Okay, that is radii. Okay, covalent and ionic. Okay, in a particular sphere, radii increases in size down the group. When you are going down, okay, just counting, 1, 2, 3, like that, 15, 16, like that going, that what is happening? There is a radii increase in size down the group. Okay, there is a constant increase in covalent radius from N to P, nitrogen to potassium. However, from AS to Bi, okay, the antimony to bismuth, only a small increase in covalent radius. Okay, what is that? From antimony to bismuth, only a small increase in covalent radius is observed. This is represents of completely filled D and or F orbitals in heavier members. Okay, what is that? Small increase, because what is that? Completely filled D and or F orbitals in heavier members. Okay, so there will be no, because heavier members will be so strong, no, there will be no change in them. Okay, good. बिकॉज हिंदी में क्या हेवियर होंगे तो उसमें चेंज होने का ज़्यादा गुंजाइश नहीं है कि क्या रीज़न है आपको देखने का है, आपको जरा पढ़ो. ओके, प्रेजेंस ऑफ कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड डी एंड और ऑफ एफ ऑर्बिटल्स हेवियर members. Okay, ionization doubly. Ions, what is ions? When atoms will be charged, that ions. Okay, a flow of current will be there, then ions. Okay, positive and negative ions will flow. Okay, positive ions in that direction, negative ions in this direction. Okay, and they are flowing. This is what is called ionization. Okay, ionization doubly decreases. Okay, this process will be decreases down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size. When the atoms will be size will be just going bigger और atoms का size बड़ा होता है ना, तो क्या होता है? Gradual increase in this ionization doubly decreases. Okay, that flow will be decreasing. Okay, because of the extra stable half-filled p orbitals, electron configuration smaller size. क्योंकि उसमें extra stable half-filled p orbitals. Okay, extra stable half-filled p orbitals, electronic configuration smaller size. Okay, ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size because of the extra stable half-filled orbitals of configuration